Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be talking about the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, that marketing is crazy right now, okay, because of many things. Inflation on US, then mostly because of the Ukraine and Russia crisis. Okay, so things are very volatile, things are very much crazy right now. So before you proceed, I would like to request you, my dear friend, never forget this is your hard-earned money. It's your duty to protect it. So please follow strict risk management, because in this scenario, okay, in this volatility and craziness, if you fail to follow proper risk management, you are gambling with your hard-earned money. So don't make that mistake. Okay, so let's talk about a chart now. So right now, as we can see, Euro USD is standing at 1.1319. This is the current market price of Euro USD, and it has taken support at the previous support of 1.1280. Okay, if you have been watching my videos, then you remember then I had a support around this level, and yes, Euro USD took support and it has bounced. So right now, if you have a buy position, or if you have already taken a buy position in this level, then yes, you can continue with your position. But if you have taken a sell position also somewhere around here, then also you can continue with a sell position as well. Because see, to be honest, though we have a strong price rejection around this level, but the present trend of the market is very much towards the downside. Okay, so if you have a sell position at the top, then you can exit. Okay, you can exit from your sell position above the 200 period moving average, or if market crosses the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, you must exit from your Euro USD sell position. And on the other hand, if you have taken a buy position around this level, then you can continue with the position. But if you see some kind of resistance, or if you see a trend reversal again around the 200 moving average, you must exit from your sell position as well. Okay. The reason is that you cannot deny the fact that Euro USD is under pressure right now, and as we all know, because of the geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine, Euro is under pressure. Okay, yes, I have already discussed in detail in my previous video, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff. Okay. So again, one more thing I would like to add, but still you cannot deny the fact that Euro USD is downtrend. Okay, and on the other hand, as the day passes, if you see that Euro USD is facing problem in going up, selling pressure is increasing in the market at that particular point of time, wait for Euro USD to break this level. Because considering the present selling pressure, considering the overall bearishness in the market right now, there is a possibility that market will face the selling pressure again. Because keep in mind, if the same geopolitical tension continues, then dollar will also be going up, because US dollar is also considered as a safe currency. Okay, along with Swiss franc and along with Japanese yen, dollar is also considered as a safe currency. So as a result, if dollar again shows us some great bullishness in the market, yes, there will be pressure on Euro USD again. And if Euro USD breaks the level of 1.1265, and if you see that there is a fresh selling on Euro USD, you can take sell position again. Okay, so 1.1265 can be another level for taking a sell position if fresh selling. Yes, I'm talking about fresh selling in the market. Okay, so one more level I would like to add is if Euro USD reverses from here around from the 200 period moving average around, let me tell you a figure. 1.1250, sorry 1.1350, to 1.1340. Around this level, there is a possibility that Euro USD will be facing some pressure against selling pressure. If Euro USD faces some pressure and if it reverses from here for day trading purpose, you can also take a sell position here again, because considering the present bearishness in the market. Okay, so I'm repeating again, if you are confused, if you have a buy position here, then continue with a buy position, and if you see some selling pressure around this level, you can exit, because right now market is kind of bearish. Oh, again, if you have a sell position on Euro USD, okay, if market breaks this level, exit from your sell position. And as the day passes, if we see heavy selling on Euro USD and Euro USD breaks the level of 1.1265 level, we will consider it as a fresh selling in the market, and we can take a sell position again. And if market reverses from here 1.135040 level, okay, there is a possibility that yes, because of the present selling pressure, market will reverse again, and we can take a sell position here as well. So these are the trading opportunities on Euro USD chart that I see right now. If you think that I have missed something and I should be learning, okay, some stuff, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. Anyways, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.